Today, the web is a definitive ruler. World more than a mammoth trade of information comes to pass on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. In any case, in the event that the information source isn't real or the information isn't put away suitably, the whole world could come to a disaster. Similarly, the diversion areas, particularly sports and gaming, have gone through a change in outlook. On account of the approach of blockchain that a huge number understood the innate capability of calculations and cryptography, and how this could be saddled to bring the diversion area to in a state of harmony, consolidating the standards of decentralized finance and blockchain. Chiliz's one-of-a-kind stage gives clients the honor of a wide range of science and innovation benefits by mining them on a numerical calculation, particularly for the esports and gaming areas. Before we dive into the Chiliz cost forecast, let us check out a portion of the extraordinary elements of Chiliz. Chiliz, the specialized examination. Chiliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. In January 2020, it saw the most exorbitant cost acceleration to $0. However, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the place of $0 of the pandemic effect. The Chiliz cost spike that occurred in 2020 is related to the declaration made by the Chiliz venture to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During November 2020, Chiliz's cost arrived at a lower 1 cent. Until January 2021, it just showed a peripheral recuperation. In any case, the exhibition of Chiliz toward the start of 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers as the value shot to a degree of 3 cents by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ/USD on the cost front alongside volume. Starting from the start of spring, the cost of Chiliz has reflected colossal development, denoting another unequaled high at the 89 cents mark. Nonetheless, from that point forward, the token confronted a slight revision. However, later, it held the 40 cents cost level. The CHZ cost denoted a gigantic convention and contacted 75 cents in April, yet later, it revised to the 21 cents mark. Then, at that point, the cost of Chiliz went on until the start of August 2021. In September, the CHZ cost again stirred things up around town mark. However, later, it confronted a sharp downfall and tumbled to 24 cents and went on sideways, exchanging till the finish of October. From that point onward, it denoted a huge recuperation, and in November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. Since the last year, the CHZ token cost has exchanged or reached somewhere in the range of 28 cents and 8 cents with a negative tension. Be that as it may, in the wake of hitting 10 cents in the last December, Chiliz has denoted a moderate recuperation, and as of now, it exchanges around 12 cents. We demand you do your own examination recommending projected greatest cost, theorized value changes, and least cost according to your assumptions for CHZ cost expectation. CHZ coin cost expectation recommends that Chiliz could convey great return by acquiring a sought-after position among the computerized coins, most likely in the following couple of years. All the more critically, despite the fact that the new exhibition of Chiliz has not soared on the trade ascending to magnificence. One conspicuous reality that arises here is that the cost of Chiliz is digging in for the long haul, increment, and fill in the market in full sprout according to beneath Chiliz cost expectations. Chiliz value forecast 2023 as of late. Chiliz has crossed the 17 cents mark in February, interestingly starting from the start of 2023. As indicated by our CHZ cost expectation for 2023, Chiliz is supposed to cross the degree of 21 cents. Before the year's over, Chiliz is anticipated to arrive at least value level of 16 cents. Moreover, the CHZ cost is equipped for getting a greatest value level of 22 cents. Chiliz crypto value expectation 2024 CHZ forecast for 2024 predicts that the greatest cost and least cost to be 27 cents and 23 cents. Separately, the most probable Chiliz cost will be consistent at around 25 cents in light of our Chiliz crypto cost expectation. Chiliz value expectation 2025 as per CHZ cost forecast 2025. In a drawn-out situation, the cost of Chiliz is set to quit slacking with other digital currencies to plainly show up at any rate cost of 33 cents and a greatest cost of 41 cents inside a couple of days of its entering 2025. CHZ estimate depicts a stunning good faith anticipated for the CHZ cost, primarily because of its steady exhibition throughout the long term. Click here to become more about long-haul digital money conjectures. Chiliz coin value expectation 2026 violating all impediments north of 2026 would doubtlessly give indications of fortune for its financial backers. As per our Chiliz expectation, supported by hardy brilliant agreements, the greatest value level of CHZ crypto will be around 50 cents in 2026. The approaching 5 years are supposed to bring an increment. Chiliz expectation 2027 The street ahead is loaded with pedals according to the CHZ cost conjecture, gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chiliz cost, taking it to cross all hindrances scaling point of the most extreme cost of 60 cents. CHZ expectation 2028 thinking about there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the digital currency market. Chiliz crypto cost expectation expects the cost is good to go to insist areas of strength for it as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. Chiliz's cost may effortlessly cross its past all-time high of 89 cents and have a greatest cost of 91 cents as indicated by our CHZ coin cost forecast 2028. Chiliz conjecture 2029 of every 2029. The CHZ token will exchange at a limit of $1.15 with a base cost of $1.05. Simultaneously, our Chiliz cost expectation shows that the symbolic will have a typical cost of around $1.10 all year long. Chiliz value expectation 2030 in light of our CHZ cost forecast 2030. The normal cost is supposed to be around $1.50, with a likely low of $1.35 and a possible high of $1.70. The Chiliz cost vacillations in the crypto market are not supposed to be extremely unpredictable or have high gamble. Chiliz cost is gauged to arrive at a least conceivable degree of 16 cents in 2023. According to cost expectation discoveries, the CHZ cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of 19 cents with the typical estimate cost of 17 cents. As per Chiliz value forecast, the cost of Chiliz is supposed to reach at any rate value level of 11 cents in 2023. The CHZ cost can arrive at a greatest worth of 13 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 13 cents. A drawn-out increment isn't normal in light of wallet financial backer Chiliz estimate. The CHZ cost expectation during the current year is 2 cents. CHZ can be a terrible, high-risk one-year speculation choice as your ongoing venture might be degraded from now on. Another fan-following component arising on this scene of the Chiliz network is the local token CHZ, which empowers fans to trade Chiliz tokenized casting a ballot rights utilizing fan token. The token additionally gives admittance to the scrambled record of casting a ballot rights proprietorship. Fan token contribution offers limited fan tokens. Avid supporters can uphold clubs like AC Milan, FC Barcelona, Paris Holy Person Germain, and Atletico Madrid through fan tokens which are accessible on the fan commitment stage. Juventus Football Club was quick to send off a group token through the socios.com site. The site involves CHZ tokens as a selective on-stage cash. Vantage Chiliz. How might this benefit me? As a gaming fan, the main inquiry that arises this is the way to have a special interest in your number one group and how to remain exceptionally intelligent in gaming and sports by remaining associated with your group. This is a nodal factor that counts the particulars of information transmission. The organization of Chiliz has made up for this reason. CHZ is the local symbolic that takes special care of the stockpiling of CHZ tokens and guarantees their protected recuperation. The equivalent is valid with CHZ's speed of execution. Since the whole biological system of Chiliz spins around the decentralized convention, the whole cycle works speedily in a safe climate. Is Chiliz a wise venture? Indeed, Chiliz can